Hello everybody and welcome back to NEET Mentor. In the particular video, am going to share very important details with you, that is state-wise stipend amount, and which is going to be very important for you, that how much amount of stipend you get in particular state. You come from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, any other state, and since you are looking for doing the counseling in multiple states, okay, through all India quota and your state counseling process to get a government colleges. So it's very important, and many people have been asking what is the stipend amount that will get here and bond related details. So before we start with the details and talk about the stipend colleges wise and state wise, if you are new to the channel, you must subscribe the channel, because you will keep getting all the important information pertaining to NEET PG 2021 counseling process. And we also provide paid counseling guidance. On the bottom of the screen you can see one number 9319128677. You can call us to get start to end counseling guidance. We will guide you through each and every step until unless you get the seat allotment. In case somehow you don't get a seat this year, or you don't have the any issue, budget issue or location issue, you don't want to go to north side or south side like that, then it will continue for next year as well. So in Andhra Pradesh, the all government institutions coming under SVIMS Tirupati, they have a stipend 42,000, 45,000 and 48,000. 42,000 for the first year monthly, and 45,000 for second year, and 48,000 for third year. In the state of Assam, all the state government colleges will give you a stipend of 48,000, 49.5 thousand and 51,000 monthly. In central institutes like Vibura Cancer Institute, Guwahati, they will give you a stipend, very good stipend of 72,000, 74,000 and 76,000 in first, second, third year. Lokpriya Gopinath Institute of Mental Health, Tejpur, they have very handsome amount of stipend of 89,000, 91,000 and 94,000 in subsequent 3 years. Let's take a look at Bihar state. All the government institution will give you a stipend of 50,000, 55, 60,000 in third year. And all state autonomous like IGMS, it's in Patna, a very good college and hospital, they will give you a stipend of 82,000, 84,000 and 86,000 in subsequent first and second, third years. The state of Chandigarh, all the state government institute, government medical college Chandigarh, the stipend amount there is same for all 3 years, that is 55,440 rupees per month. Next state is Delhi. In Delhi, all government institution will give you stipend around about 90,000 to 1 lakh, and ESIC Delhi will give you stipend of around 1 lakh. So very good amount of stipend you will get here in Delhi. And Goa, all the government institutes, Goa Medical College, Panji, the stipend amount is 60,000 monthly for all 3 years. Now coming to state of Gujarat, the state government colleges will give you the stipend there, 60,000 in the first year, 61 in second year and 62.5 in the third year monthly. State of Haryana, that's also good state. All the state government institution will give you stipend of 78,764. Next year 81,000 approx, and in third year 83,000 approx, the stipend that you can receive. The state of Himachal Pradesh, all the state government institute, the stipend amount is low there, 35,000, 40,000 and 45,000. And there is also base stipend amount for each and every state. When you go for DNB, the stipend amount for the particular hospital located in particular state can't be lesser than the base stipend amount. That's also a rule. In the state of Jharkhand, all the state autonomous institute like RIMS Ranchi, the stipend is very good, 81,000 in the first year, 83,000 in the second year and 85,000 approx in the third year. Central institutes like CIP Ranchi, The counseling process will be done through MCC, and 100% seats are through MCC. There is no other way to get it. The stipend amount is 85,000, 87,000 and 90,000 in the third year. In the state of Karnataka, the stipend amount has increased there. Okay, for government colleges, it's around 45,000 per year, and next year you will get 45, 50 and 55. For ESIC Bangalore, because it's central institution, the stipend amount is 78,000 monthly. So you can see the difference between government institutes and central institutes in the same state. State of Kerala, all the government institutions will give you a stipend around 53,000, 54,000 and 55,000 in the 3 years. State of Madhya Pradesh, there the stipend amount is 55,000, 57,000 and 59,000 monthly in the 3 years. State of Maharashtra, the government institution, the stipend amount is 54,000, 55,000 and in the third year also you have around 55,500. Bark, Tata Memorial, the stipend amount is very good there, 72,000, 74,000 and 76,000. Central institute like AIA, PMR, Mumbai, the stipend amount is 87,000, 89,000 and 92,000 in the first, second and third years. ESIC, Andheri, Mumbai, they give you a stipend amount around 59,000 monthly for all 3 years. Next state is Manipur. The government institute like Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science, Imphal, the stipend amount monthly is 40,000, and for Regional Institute of Medical Science, stipend amount is 77,000 in the first year, 79,000 in the second year and 81,000 in the third year. State of Meghalaya, there is only one government institute. The stipend amount there is 75,000, 80,000 and 85,000 in the first, second and third years. The state of Odisha, all the government institutions will give you stipend around 51,000 in the second year, 54,000 and in the third year 56,000 monthly. The state of Pondicherry, the government institutes like Indira Gandhi, MCI, Puducherry, they will give a lesser amount in as a stipend, 43,000 in the first year, 45,000 second year and 47,000 in the third year. The state of Punjab, the stipend amount is between 50 to 54,000. In the state of Rajasthan, they also have around 50,000 on average stipend amount, which will increment to every year by 2,000. The state of Tamil Nadu, there also for government colleges, the stipend amount is less. State government college 35,000, 37.5 and in the third year 40,000. But for ESIC, the stipend is high everywhere. This 80 to 81,000 plus in the each month for all 3 years. The state of Telangana, here also you can see the state government institution will give you lesser stipend, and the autonomous Nizam Institute of Medical Science, Hyderabad, they give you a stipend amount 87,000, 89,000 and 92,000, whereas the state government institution give you a stipend around 44,000, 46,000 and 49,000 in 3 years. Tripura, all the government institution will give you stipend around 40,000 in the first year, 45 in the second and 48 in the third year. State of Uttar Pradesh, there are state government colleges. Okay, for a state government institution, the stipend is very good, 80 to 84, and autonomous medical colleges like Ram Manohar Lohia, RML, Institute of Medical Science, Lucknow, they have also very good stipend, starting from 87,000 to 92,000. State university like King George Medical University, Lucknow, is very good medical college, one of the top rated medical college. There the stipend amount is 96,000, 97,000 up to 1 lakh. In the central institutes like IMS BHU, which is also very good institution, you can go through MCC. There the stipend is starting from 92,000 and it will go up to 97,000. Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Aligarh, stipend amount is starting from 80,000 to 90,000. So for Uttar Pradesh, you go for any government medical college, whether state level or central, the stipend is very high, 80,000 minimum. In the state of Uttarakhand, there also all the government institution like Government of Medical College Haldwani, the stipend amount is around 70,000 monthly. The state of West Bengal, the government institution will give lesser amount in terms of stipend, starting from 38,000 to 44,000. But central institutions like All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health, Kolkata, the stipend there is 87,000 to 92,000. And Central Institute of ESIC, there the stipend amount is between 70 to 75. And ESIC Jokak in Kolkata, the stipend amount is around 79,000. Next, so this is the complete list of states and stipend amount for all the government medical colleges. Whether you are going through All India quota or you going for the central institutes, you have an idea that what will be the stipend amount. Accordingly, you need to decide that which is better option between the two options that you are giving. Mostly in North Indian states, the stipend amount is high, and in the South Indian government medical colleges, except the central institute, the stipend amount is less. That's a kind of a common conclusion. So in the next video, I will update one more video with bond details, penalty details, and discontinuation bond. Once you get college and you want to discontinue the study for any purpose, then what is the penalty amount? So thanks for watching and have a great day. We will meet again with a new content which will benefit you in the endeavor of your counseling process. Thanks.